Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Rahim Dad, and I'm your host for the Dubai Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. I'm really happy because today I'm bringing you my first lead after 2.5 years, and this is all thanks to all the support from my family and my friends. My first drive as a comeback was with Freddie and then Richard, and this gave me the confidence that I will be able to lead a drive. So this week I was the lead. We did a drive in the Lesali area, which was an amazing drive. I wish everyone could be a part of this drive. We had 20 vehicles. We had amazing support through the marshals and crew. Thanks to Richard, Thomas, uh, Marianne, Ali, Ashok. Uh, they really gave me the confidence to lead these 20 cars in and out of the desert safely. And Taj Bhai alongside me was an absolute blast. Um, I'm very happy because Thomas has given us a platform now, and he has worked very hard to make it possible and streamlined where we are having drives every week. So guys, if you want to join in, get in touch with me. You have my number. My numbers will be in the description in my videos. You can get in touch with me. I'll add you to our list, and you too can join drives with us. But for now, enjoy this.
So, this is not something that I wish in my life. Yeah, this has got an extending handle, and it is also completely, well, not completely, but pretty much useless to dig yourself out, the truth be told. If you find yourself caught short and need a bio brake, very useful, but to get your 2.5-ton monster out of the sand, it is of limited utility.
This is good to play with fire only, by the way.
Barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue, this is excellent.
All right. We think Rahim Dad is, within 20 minutes or an hour of where we are.
What's the thing on number
I love it. I still have. I learned.
So I'll be number one. I'll be leading. You can Riaz, right? Well, you are driving extra also. You're standing well. Right. So 2, right? Then you have the Fortuner. You have the. Huh? This is you should be expert by now.
Today I'm starting as an expert.
And extra. Very nice. Okay, I'm in position number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. I can see up to Richard, number 7, Pathfinder.
Can you tell someone to switch off the ABS? Mine is okay. That's why we took time. That makes it more.
One second. Can
record. हाँ, nice desert. मैं अपना mic connect करने भूल गया हूँ. Forgotten to connect my mic. I don't know what kind of audio you'll be getting, but beautiful set of dunes. Absolute newbie drive. There are 5 to 6 cars. They have never been to the desert before, and this is just so nice and easy, and yet small challenges, small little challenges which will keep everybody on their toes, and hopefully something for the supporting marshals and sweeper to do. अभी टाइम है इनको घुमाने का. So you will not see any cars in front of me because I am the lead today. I'm leading this drive. Yippee! Taj bhai,
Yes, sir.
you like?
I like everything about the desert.
What do you like most about the desert?
Most? That's a difficult question.
Do you like the peacefulness, the serenity, the calmness?
Oh, yes, definitely. I
Do
like
you
that.
like the fact that you get away from your daily life and just, do something which takes away your mind?
Actually, I take desert as an institute, as a complete
learning ground.
learning ground. One thing I learned from the desert is that you walk or you drive, you leave your marks, your tracks on the desert. But when you come back, you don't see them. They're gone. Because a fresh layer of sand comes on top of your left marks with the help of the wind.
True.
So what does that tell you? It tells you only one thing. Never cling around your past. Just learn what you have done and then move forward. That was a nice slide.
Yeah, I like that too. And this is the place where I expect people
To do
to have some.
hard time.
Against gravity.
Yeah.
That's Richard telling principles of Einstein.
Apple falls on the head. Yeah. Or what he kind of dropped his radio to show last time.
Yes.
That, gravity.
Modern time.
It's
of
there,
Einstein.
don't forget about it. Just respect gravity.
Respect gravity.
Play with it.
respect nature. Nature needs to be.
Play with it. Yeah, nature you need to respect. But at the same time, when you respect nature, when you give respect to the nature, it allows you to play.
Yes, exactly.
Not for very long or very hard, like some people try. But yeah, you can just have a level of enjoyment and not really, think too deep about it. Just enjoy what nature's given you.
Absolutely.
And I can just have like this nice, slow, relaxed drive. You don't need to overdo yourself or your vehicle to enjoy it. Just, within the safety limits.
Actually, I never call desert driving as driving. It's surfing on the desert.
Oh, yeah, I love to surf.
So
I'm
when
a
you
surfer boy myself.
Oh, yes. Surfing is a totally different ball game.
Yeah,
Different principles, by the way.
yeah. like Salman Khan's brother would say, just chill, chill, just
Just
chill, just chill, chill, just chill. Chalo bhai. What an amazing place to learn some little side sloping. Look at this. This is clean dune, yaar. This was waiting for us only. No, untouched.
Untouched, untouched.
These dunes have so many marks on them that what dune was totally unmarked.
Unmarked, yeah. Maybe people forgot about it. Missed it.
Maybe they just missed it. Anyway, good for us. And this is what you are saying. See these marks. Somebody left it some time ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're almost gone with the winds and everything.
True.
Amazing part is we still have the last car coming there, the FJ. Hello FJ. Hello my sweeper man. I think I did the right thing by making
The most capable car as
Dr.
your sweeper.
Saab as my sweeper
Yes.
and leaving Ali to do whatever he wants to do.
Exactly.
But now I'm getting scared. Fly sweep is a serious matter. You know, when I started off-roading, there was a question that used to come to my mind. And those were like, you know, the days when GPS was not something which was that freely available. And the one you had was like so expensive because these were marine GPS,
Correct.
like 276C
Yes.
or the 76, the small one
Yeah.
for the bikes and all.
The E-Trax. H.
So that same 276C had the 76CE or something like that.
Yeah.
That was the smaller one for the bikes and stuff.
Correct.
At the back,
But
everybody seems to be
look
enjoying.
at 276C would be like close to $3,000 with all the accessories and
Yes.
all, with the car charger and all. So it used to be expensive. Not everybody could afford that. And the question that used to come to my
My
mind,
coffee aroma is tempting me to take a break.
the thing that used to come to my mind
Kept
is,
it open or
I
something?
used to see these guys, the leads, the marshals in
Yeah.
those days. They go in, we're in the middle of the
I'm sure
desert.
we'll take a break, but in case if there's any ladder emergency, we'll stop.
We don't really, I used
I'm
to
fine, I think
fail
so.
to understand. You take us somewhere You take us out. You know exactly where you took us out. And you've been through the wilderness. You've been through a desert which nobody knows.
Correct.
How that is possible. Now I see the younger generation coming and asking me the same thing.
Wow.
The new crop,
The thing
the
is,
new crop ask me the same thing. How do you know you're going in, coming out without GPS, without anything? How do you know?
yes,
I just yeah. Now we know. Now we have a sense of direction.
yes,
Following those marshals, we used to have similar questions.
correct.
But now, after doing so much, it kind of, these tracks, it kind of imprints, and you know where you're going, what you're doing. There's no mystery for us.
Exactly.
But for these guys, they're like, how do you know? How to reply to that? How do you know?
The only reply is for them to tell them to learn and keep coming to the desert.
Yeah, experience it. And this is what I keep telling them. I keep telling them that if you're in this sport, if you choose this sport, choose to be regular. Because the more you do it, the more you learn. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video I've made on this drive. Make sure that you share, like, subscribe to my channel so I can bring more such content for you. We are planning on a lot of things. We are trying to get a core team together who can build a special platform for all of you to be able to not only enjoy the drives but to learn through this process and do a lot more. We have a lot of content, we have a lot of interviews, we have a lot of things coming up. So keep in touch, keep subscribed so you keep getting notified when you like the YouTube algorithm kind of shows you more of my content so you don't miss out on anything. Until next time, this Rahim Dad signing off.